Anita's guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to cook a perfect garlic and herb roast chicken. So let's get started.
I've got here some hot water, one number 25 chicken or 2.5 kilos of whole chicken which I have rinsed and dried using a paper towel, some cooking spray, 1 tablespoon of mixed dried herbs, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 8 cloves of grated garlic, 4 tablespoons of soft butter, a piece of string, and a baking tray with a rack which is lined with foil. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees if it's a fan-forced oven and 190 degrees if it's a conventional oven. Line your baking tray with foil. Place your rack on the top of the foil and fill it with hot water until it just comes below the rack. Take your butter, add garlic, pepper, mixed dried herbs and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well to combine. Take your chicken with the breast side facing up, lift the skin up and push about 1 tablespoon of butter under the skin on both sides of the breast. Turn the chicken over, lift the skin around the neck and push some butter under the skin. Rub the remaining butter all over the chicken and inside the chicken or the chicken's cavity as well. Fold the wings into a triangle and tie the legs using the string. Spray some cooking spray on the rack and place the chicken with the breast side facing up on top of the rack. Bake it for 2.5 hours, turning after every 30 minutes, keeping an eye on the water level. Depending on the size of the chicken, allow 30 minutes for every 500 grams of chicken. My chicken is 2.5 kilos or number 25 chicken. That is the reason I'm cooking it for 2.5 hours. If your chicken is number 20 or 2 kilos, then cook it for 2 hours. Take it out of the oven. You can see the lovely herbs coming through. Loosely cover it with a foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. By resting it, the chicken will become nice and juicy. After 10 minutes, cut the chicken at the joints into serving size portions. Or you can cut them into any size you like and it is ready to serve. My perfect garlic and herb roast chicken is ready and you can serve it with some roast vegetables and gravy. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.